Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Hyundai Elantra key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available, and a small flathead screwdriver. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and ensure your key fob always works when you need it. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small release button, usually on the side or back. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, you'll see a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob case. Be careful not to damage the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out of its holder. Note the orientation of the old battery before removal. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly in place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key. Once reassembled, head to your Hyundai Elantra and test the lock and unlock buttons to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for links, including one for Little Tree's Black Ice Car air fresheners.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.